Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. In this video, we are going to implement binary search without recursion. So for that purpose, here I have declared array A containing 9 sorted elements and one variable I have taken here K for accepting element that we want to search. Okay, so here I have accepted K from user. Suppose user have entered K is equal to 22. Now the next statement is a call of binary search. Now for this binary search I have passed array A and searching element K. Okay, so this will call function binary search, in which first parameter is array A and second parameter is element K. Okay, so this is the sorted array containing 9 elements indexed from 0 to 8. Okay, so in the binary search function we have initialized variable beginning to 0 and variable end to last index of the array, that is we have last index as 8. So I have directly initialized end to 8. Now we will calculate first the mid. So formula for mid is beginning plus end divided by 2. It will give the value of mid. Okay, so in binary search we first require beginning index, then end index, and we have calculated index of middle element with the help of formula begin plus end divided by 2. Okay, now let's start to the actual comparison. Okay, so this is our array of 9 elements and we have K is equal to 22. Okay, so first we have calculated mid, then we have to compare K with the middle element. Okay, so now beginning is 0 and end is equal to 8. So 0 plus 8 divided by 2, it will give 4. So the value of mid is equal to 4, and here mid will act as an index, not the middle element. Okay, so the element present at the index mid will give the middle element with whom we will compare the value of K. Okay, so at 4 location we have element 55, that is the middle element. So first we have to compare with the middle element. While beginning is less than or equal to end, we have to repeat this task. Okay, because in every step of binary search we are dividing the array, so this condition is must. So while beginning is less than or equal to end, we have to perform the below task. Okay, so first condition we have to check whether the middle element is equal to the searching element. Okay, so if A of mid is equal to K, then we will return its index. Okay, so now the value of K is 22 and the value of A of mid means A of 4 is equal to 55. This is array A. Okay, so A of 4 is having value 55. So 55 is equal to K. Condition does not satisfy because we have K is equal to 22. Okay, so this condition does not satisfy, so it will check for another condition. Else if A of mid, so what will be the next condition? So we have to check whether this element is present in the first half or second half. Does it belong to first half or second half? Okay, so if the searching element is less than mid, then it will come under the first half, otherwise it will come in the second part of the array. Okay, so else if A of mid is less than K, if middle value is less than K, then element lies in the second part. So we don't need to search in the first half. So we have to update the beginning of the sub array to begin is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, because if element is greater than the mid, then we have to check in the second half of the array. Okay, so अभी हमारा पूरा array change हो जाएगा, पूरा array मतलब array का beginning change हो जाएगा, तो इधर हमें सर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तो हम कहाँ से सर्च करेंगे? आफ्टर मिड, बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंपेयर विद दिस मिडल एलिमेंट ऑल्सो. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर फ्रॉम द मिडल प्लस 1 एलिमेंट टू द एंड ऑफ द array. Okay, so now we will update the beginning as beginning is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, so अभी ये सब array होगा जिसमें हमें फिर से मिड कैलकुलेट करना है और मिड के साथ कंपेयर करना है. ठीक है, एंड if this is not the case, means if value of k is less than the middle of the element, then we have to again update the end of the sub array, because in that case k lies in the first half. Okay, so element जब first half में रहेगा तो we don't need to update beginning, we have to update end of the sub array. Okay, so last में else आएगा. so मतलब last की condition रहेगी if element is less than the mid, then we have to just update the end of the array as end is equal to mid minus 1. So new end will be mid minus 1. So mid is 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so अभी ये हमारा नया सब array बनेगा from 0 to 3, whether we can start searching element iteratively. Okay, and now we will again calculate the new mid as mid is equal to begin plus end divided by 2. Now again we have to add one more condition, that is if end is less than beginning. ये कब होगा? जब हमें एलिमेंट मिलेगा नहीं, तो उस टाइम पे ये कंडीशन पॉसिबल है कि एंड अपडेट हो जाएगा, बिगिनिंग एंड से भी बड़ा हो जाएगा एट द टाइम व्हेन एलिमेंट डज नॉट प्रेजेंट. दिस कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइज. ओके, सो अभी तो ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो रहा है. सो अगेन इट विल अपडेट, इट विल चेक फॉर द व्हाइल कंडीशन. वी आर इन दिस सब array. Okay, so again we have calculated new mid as is equal to 0 plus beginning was 0 and end was 3, because we have updated here. So 0 plus 3 divided by 2 means 3 by 2, so is equal to 1 आएगा. Okay, so अभी हमारा new mid हो गया है 1. Okay, so now here we'll check condition. Beginning is 0, end is 3. So condition satisfy हो रहा है, it will move inside the loop. And if a of mid, a of 1 is equal to k, so a of mid is equal to 22, so k is equal to 22. So this condition satisfies. So अभी ये match हो रहा है because this value is also 22 and k is also 22. Okay, so it will return element found at location %d. Instead of this %d we have to return mid. Okay, because that is the location of the element we have found. Okay, so it will return element found at location 1 and it will print. Now here we have to insert break statement. If element found, then we have to insert break statement. So element found at location %d, it will return the location of mid element. So it will come out of this while loop and execution of binary search will get completed. Okay, so it will return back to the main. In main we don't have any statement to execute here, so this will complete the binary search. Hope so you have understood the binary search, how we have updated beginning as well as end as well as mid indices. If you have any queries, then please do comment and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.